Hi Kevin, switch.
The line's right there. Trying to drop it down. Bring it a little lower.
Today sucks. I only caught 2 fish. I only caught 2 fish. Caught 1. Dude.
Fishing slow. Oh yeah, looks good today. Loose up. Cop some new merch.
Good job.
Thanks. Finally got one on camera.
You want another DP? Okay.
Got 2 in a row.
Well, that's a good one.
I know, it's been all morning. Just falling asleep.
Did fall asleep until I started catching fish.
So we have to hold. Because it keeps collapsing on us. Dang, that's a whiteout. Hopefully that holds.
This bag, right? This. You got it?
Yep. Oh, it came off. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it.
Okay, hold up. Kevin.
Dude. I'm scared.
Last time we came to Fish Lake, Grant got hit by an ice hut in the head. He had to go get stitches. Careful with flying ice huts. Oh shit.
I'm still scared.
I know.
Pretty much how I'm catching them right now. I jig it, and then I stop, and then it hits. Let's see. Another one. a nice one. Some fun out here would be nice. We had a fun shop out here.
Just in the middle of the lake.
We should bring like drag an ATV with like a hut, a food cart, or a food truck. Food truck car. Nice.
You know they do that in Mantua?
Yeah?
Mantua has like a store, and you can call in and make an order for like food. They'll take it to you out on the lake if you're ice fishing.
I think they'll deliver pizza over here.
Nigga, we don't even have service. The fuck?
Yeah, I'm in the random ice hut.
Oh, God damn it. Nothing.
Another splake.
That's a bigger one.
Yeah.
Was he on the bottom?
Yeah.
What the hell? What is that, a bow?
It's a splake.
I swear to God, it's my stuff. Nice catch and release.
Grab a spoon, boy. Okay. Good size, dude. Best way to end a fishing trip. Oh my gosh. Yeah, boy.
Load up the fucking augers and the sled and like some stuff. Oh, wait for the wind to die.
Look at this. That's what we gotta deal with. Winter wonderland out here. It's a lot of snow.
Time to go home. Eventful day. We got here at like 6 o'clock. This rope's not long enough.